Whenever I deliver this workshop, we might do a pre-workshop survey, or we might just start with an open-ended discussion, maybe adding points to the flip chart. Agenda, agenda, agenda. Either no agenda, or an unclear agenda, or an agenda that doesn't have the purpose of the meeting. All sorts of issues with the agenda. So we do a whole module, not only on what makes a good agenda, what's best practice in agendas, but also to take the time to look at a few styles and maybe invent their own fresh agenda structure. So I really find that no clear agenda and not sending the agenda ahead of time, that is such a bugbear with people. They want to know, in fact, they want to know whether there's any prep they have to do, whether they're going to be talking. They want to know the duration of different sections. Just having a list of agenda items is not enough. It makes sense to add a suggested time duration against each agenda item. So that's really the biggest one. No, either absence of agenda, or no clear agenda, or no agenda that is sent ahead of time.